What's up, guys? This is your host John, and I'm here with another trading lesson from Smooth Crypto. Today, we're going to show you how to plot the Fibonacci Retracement Levels. If you ever wondered how did I use the Fibonacci Retracement tool, today we'll show you how. Before we get into the lesson, I would like to remind you folks that Smooth Media will be a silver level sponsor for the Litecoin Summit 2022 in Las Vegas, Nevada on October 21st and October 22nd. So to celebrate that, we are doing giveaways. We are giving away thousands of dollars in crypto, cash, and other cool prizes. And all you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, show us proof, and you'll be entered to win cash, crypto, and other cool prizes. We'll be announcing the winners on October 21st and October 22nd, so stay tuned for that. Well, all right, guys, that's enough of announcements. Let's get into the lesson. How to draw a Fibonacci.
Let's see. Let's go to AMP real quick. So just to draw Fibonacci, you're just looking at swing highs to swing lows. So let's do it from... Let's make it a little cleaner. So we're going to drop down to the daily. I would really not draw a Fibonacci on the daily time frame, but I'm just showing you the basics on how to actually draw a Fibonacci. So it's over here on the left-hand side, Fibonacci retracement on Tradingview. You would go from swing high, just line it up, go to the swing high wick, click it, extend it out. You don't have to hold the mouse down once you click the button, and then just swing low. So I would go these levels here of this red wick, August 26, 2022. I just like to extend it out a little bit. Once you line it up at the best to your ability, click it again, and now you have it drawn. I like to lock it in place because you know how
you can move
how much I mess around. So that's it. That's how you draw Fibonacci. You start at the swing high, you drag it out to the swing low, and then just click it again, and now you have your levels. Let's look at, what do you say?
EOS?
You want to do EOS?
You might have a Fibonacci.
Yeah, so daily time frame again, you know, we're never on that. Let's look at the weekly time frame. And EOS is one I just did a lot of technical analysis on Tradingview. So again, we have the swing high here. That's where I drew it to the top of the wick on the 6th of September, 2021. And then I have it just at the bottom of these wicks here on the June 13th, 2022. So again, let's delete it real quick. Let me adjust it real fast. We'll delete it, click it, unlock it, delete it. We click our Fibonacci tool here on the left. We go from the top of this red wick here, click it once, drag it to the lows down here, and you just watch to line it up with the bottom. Line it up with the bottom wick, and boom. Now you have your wick, you have your Fibonacci drawn from your swing high point to your swing low point. You could also just click it again and just look at where it's lining up. Like I'm looking at these levels here, these two levels, and really down here as well. So as you move it, you know, all the other levels move along with it. Yeah. So if you want to draw it from here and you see, okay, from this swing high to the swing low, it just doesn't look right. Like this doesn't add up. This is in the middle of nowhere. But the bottom, the 236, lines up amazing. Yeah. With these candle bodies sitting on it, with it finding it as resistance. So then you could drag it to the top of the candle bodies. So the actual candle body tops instead of the top of the wicks. Then you could kind of look and just play with it. Like, okay, well, that looks okay. Then you could click down here at the bottom. Okay, let's bring this to the candle bodies. You know what I mean? You have a little resistance. It didn't quite touch. So, I mean, I'm not happy with that. So I'll bring it back down to the wicks at the bottom. And then I'll put this one back up to where we had it up here for this swing high. And that looks, you know, it doesn't look amazing, but it looks a little bit better. So Fibonacci's you could play with. In our technical analysis video we just did, I showed you how I have the Fibonacci extension. Yes. You know what I mean? I have the large Fibonacci drawn. Then I have a Fibonacci on top of that, which we could look at real fast. Let's look at it here. Go to Ethereum. So the yellow Fibonacci is the big overall Fibonacci from the swing high, the all-time absolute swing high on November 8th, 2021 to the swing low down here which I mean, I don't know why I have it drawn like that. That it might be drawn on the monthly time frame. I'm not going to mess with it right now. So, you know, with that movement, a big, large movement, I thought to myself, like, okay, I need to look at it a little bit more. I need some other levels of where we could potentially go. So that's why I drew it from this top of the wick here on March 28th, 2022 to the swing low bottom wick of the 13th of June, 2022. And it just gives you a little bit more levels of where we could bounce, where we could find a little bit of resistance or a little bit of support. Like right now, if I just had let's hide it real quick. If I just had the yellow Fibonacci, the big overall drawn, it would look like we're going to go right back down to the lows. But with the white Fibonacci from the most recent highs to the swing lows, current swing lows, you could see we're finding a little bit of support, which we did here as well. All throughout the past month and a half, kind of, it was a little bit of resistance. Then we touched it as support a few times. Now we're breaking back below it a tiny bit, but we haven't closed below it. So that's why I said Ethereum seems strong as long as we hold these levels.
The Fibonacci extension gives you more detail.
Exactly. It's on a smaller time frame. You could have a Fibonacci large one on the weekly time frame, then you could go to the daily time frame and draw one in there. But again, I like to draw even my Fibonacci extensions on the weekly time frame as well, not the daily. But you could see again, it lines up with the daily. We have the top, the swing high to the swing lows here. And that's how you draw Fibonacci, just swing high to swing low. Click your Fibonacci tool, click your swing high, drag it down to your swing low and click it again and lock it in place.
If you want to go to the smaller time scale, you go from the most recent high to the most recent low. If you want a bigger time scale, you go back a little further out to the bigger
time frame
and then to a lower high, to a lower low.
Exactly.
From that time frame.
Exactly.
Okay.
So again, Fibonacci, just remember, it doesn't matter where you're drawing it, what time frame, but it's swing high to swing low.
I hope you guys learned something today. I know I did. If you guys did learn something and you enjoyed this episode, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have any more crypto questions, please comment them down below and they will be answered on the next episode. Don't be shy and ask away. And another reminder, all you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, show us proof, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. We'll be announcing the winners on October 21st and October 22nd. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. See you guys later. Peace.